Hey friends, if you wish to make custom icons in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Personalization tab. On the list on the right hand side, select Themes and then select Desktop Icon Settings. Now, there are a few icons which you can change. For example, the network icon, okay, or let's say the recycle bin. Okay, so I will select the empty recycle bin and then I can change the icon and I can change it to something else like this one, and then I'll click on OK. And for the full one, I can change it to this one. Okay, and then I'll click on OK, apply, and then OK. See what happens. The icon for recycle bin has changed. Now I'll open it and then I will click on empty recycle bin, and then see this one has also changed. Now what if I made a mistake and I don't like it? I can simply go and click on restore default and then on OK. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.